Mm, 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 mm. Look at that deliciousness. Can't you feel the luxury of this wonderful DIY bath soak? Let's get into it, people, because it is beautiful. So your ingredients are Epsom salt, jojoba oil or sweet almond oil. Then you will have some organic lavender flowers. They are dehydrated. Some pink Himalayan sea salt, some lavender essential oil, any one of your choice is fine, a large bowl for mixing, a small jar that's clean and dry for mixing our essential oil with our carrier oil, and a large mason jar for storage. So we will begin by taking 2 cups of our Epsom salt. You will also need 1 cup of pink Himalayan sea salt, 2/3 cups of dried lavender leaves, organic if possible, but if not, whatever you can find. In that jar, we have 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil. This is going to act as our carrier oil for the lavender essential oil that we will be placing to give our bath salts a wonderful, deliciously relaxing scent. And we will place about 10 to 20 drops of the lavender essential oil into our carrier oil for the mixture. So, without further ado, let's begin. Now, if you are sensitive or you're not sure how your skin will react to the essential oils, then please start off with 10 rather than 20 drops as I'm doing. Then you're going to put your lid on and then you're going to shake it. And you will shake it for approximately 30 seconds to make sure that the lavender essential oil gets thoroughly mixed with our carrier jojoba oil. And jojoba oil is great for the skin, it's great for the hair. It actually is very compatible with the natural sebum that's produced by your skin. So it's a wonderful oil for soaking or even for application for moisturizing your skin or sealing in moisture after you get out of a shower or bath. And it smells so good. I was just smelling it. It's so beautifully delicious. Love this particular bath soak for me, and I hope you love it for you. So we are placing our Epsom salt into our mixing dish. It's just 2 cups, and then right after that we will place in our sea salt, and then we'll just mix it all together. Now, Epsom salts are a laxative, but the magnesium in it also helps you to relax. And lavender is also known as a very relaxing herb. So you have 2 relaxing agents in this particular bath salt mixture. Now, the sea salts will actually help to detox and draw out any toxins in the system. And so this combination is really good, in my opinion, for your skin and for relaxing. It's excellent right before bedtime. Next, we're going to take our mixture of the jojoba oil with the lavender essential oil, and we'll just pour it right in. I try to distribute it around, although we are going to hand mix it. I still try to pour it around just to get it in there and mix it up a little bit better. So we just mix it all together until it's thoroughly mixed. You want to mix it so that every grain of sea salt and every grain of that Epsom salt is coated with the oil mixture, because that will make for a more even distribution of the scent. And when I tell you that my kitchen was lit, ooh, with that scent of the lavender, it was lit. It was beautiful, but it's not overpowering. Again, use less essential oil if you have skin sensitivities. Also, please make sure, if you have any medical conditions such as hypertension or any autoimmune diseases, that you do check with your primary care physician to see if lavender or Epsom salt or sea salt bath soaks are appropriate for you. It's very important. If you have any medical conditions, please check with your physicians. Then I added in my leaves, the dried hibiscus. We're going to do one, but that's not it. The dried lavender flowers, and they're in there. They're mixed beautifully. And look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? It is just delicious and delightful. So next you want to just, after you're finished, let this mixture, once you put it in your sealed jar, sit overnight, at least for 24 hours, to allow the oils to infuse with our bath salts mixture. So now you just take your salts and put it in an airtight, clean, dry jar. Please make sure that that jar is not only very clean and disinfected, but that it is dry. You don't want any water in that jar that you're storing this in, or even in your mixing bowl, or the jar that you mixed your oil in, because that water can corrupt your mixture and cause bacterial growth. And this is just enough for 2 soaks. You can get 3 out of it if you want, if you don't want your bath to be as potent. But I usually put about 1.5 to 2 cups in the water before I run my bath water. And actually, part 2 will be to show you how I use my bath salts mixture and the procedure I go through before I get into the tub. You will love it. And voila! Here we go. The beautiful, delicious, lovely, luxurious, at-home DIY bath salts soak mixture that you can enjoy. And trust me, it's a fraction of the cost of what you pay out there in the novelty stores. So, that being said, thank you for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.